everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I have cauliflower wing recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I make my cauliflower wings. This is long overdue. We've been getting a lot of requests for this. So I'm going to show you how I make my cauliflower. I have 3 different ways. I'm going to do the lemon pepper wings, I'm going to do buffalo wings, and then just the regular plain. Oh, and I want to mention this apron that I have right here. This apron that we have on our website. It's the Eat to Live apron. And basically Taryn came up with this. He thought it would be just a good way to remind people to eat to live. So when you go in the kitchen and cook, you're cooking for your health. You're not just cooking anything, you're cooking to eat to live. Even though today, I have the recipe is going to be cauliflower wings, and it's not the healthiest thing to make, but this is still for my transitioning people, for the people who want to learn how to transition, the people who can't, the people who are addicted to meat and it's hard for them to stop eating meat. I just want to give y'all a recipe to help y'all, to make y'all transition a little easier. So the next upcoming videos are going to be recipes for my meat eaters who are looking to transition and need help. Also, if you don't know, we have our ebook, Wellness Over Illness, and I'll link it down below in the description, as well as this apron, the Eat to Live apron. So yeah, our Wellness Over Illness is basically a transitional guide. It has recipes in there. I made it so that people who eat meat, they'll have an easier time transitioning, because there's a lot of foods. I made foods that are, I did it to where there's foods in there that are similar to people who are coming from the standard American diet, so it'll be easier for y'all to transition. So yeah, I kept that in mind. And our next book will be focused more on health, and it'll have more healthier recipes, but for right now it's just for the people that are transitioning. So yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's just get right into the video. So here's the cauliflower I'm going to be using. They're already pre-washed and pre-cut, but I still like to wash them one more time. So right here I have some flour and milk, and we're going to use this to start making a batter. And you can use any dairy-free milk that you choose to use, and any type of flour that you want to use. And so I'm just going to add equal parts of flour and milk. So I'm going to add 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of our almond milk. So now I'm just adding the seasonings here. Y'all can add whatever seasonings y'all want to add. And I just added a little bit of paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and then I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I add about like a teaspoon of everything. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt. Get your oil ready. Y'all know I like to use grapeseed or avocado oil for frying, so just make sure it's really hot before you drop the cauliflower wings in. And then I'm going to drop them in. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. And again, make sure the oil is really hot before you put them in. So now while we got our wings in the pan waiting for them to get done, we're going to go and start making the sauces. So right here I'm going to start my lemon pepper sauce, and I added about 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter to the pan. And you just want to make sure you get that all melted. So once you get that melted down halfway at least, you're going to start adding the lemon pepper seasoning. And I just use the Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning. And now I'm dropping the wings in. So make sure you toss the wings around really good so they can get evenly coated. So now I'm about to make my buffalo sauce, and this is for all my oil-free people who don't like to use oil or butter. So instead of butter, I like to use tahini. And what I'm going to do is take a couple of tablespoons of tahini and mix it with the red hot. And this is the best, well, this is the way I prefer to have my buffalo sauce. And this just cuts down on, using too much butter. We already use a lot of butter for the lemon pepper wing, so I figured like with this I wouldn't use any butter in the recipe, and instead I'll use my tahini. It's a much better alternative to buffalo sauce. And you might not be able to find any vegan buffalo sauce, so this is a better alternative and it's healthier. So with this, it's all about preference, how you prefer it. If you want it mild, then of course add less of the red hot. But if you want it, spicy, you can add how much of the red hot you want. And I like mine spicy, so I'm going to be adding a good amount of red hot. And if it's too hot, all you got to do is just add a little bit more tahini. Make sure you mix it really well because it can get a little thick. Also, you could do this on a stove if you choose to. So next I'm just going to toss the wings in the sauce. If you want to, you can, like I said, you can do this in the pan and cook them the rest of the way in the pan, but I'm just going to drop them in the sauce and I'm just going to bake them a little bit in my air fryer. Or you can just drop it in your oven. My air fryer has a baking setting on it. Or you could just toss them in the sauce and just eat it as it is, but I know a lot of people would like to probably bake them on just so they can get a little bit more crispier. But yeah, that's it. Okay everybody, so now I'm finished. I have some buffalo wings, some lemon pepper wings, and then I got some regular double battered wings. So
which one?
Which one? He's not into hot, so he's probably not gonna try the buffalo.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
But he will probably try the lemon pepper or the double battered wings. So try the lemon pepper wings.
So the lemon pepper wings. Need to at Rick Ross. Let him know. Put this on your menu at Wingstop. Lemon pepper wings.
Cauliflower. And it still got the crunch. Y'all heard it.
Mhm. What's your first time making lemon?
Lemon pepper?
Yeah.
I think I did before one time. So those
Pretty
are
good.
the lemon pepper wings.
Which one good?
This is the regular double batter fry. And you're gonna try the double. You know, you already tried the. You always try the original.
Yeah, lemon pepper though, but I'm hungry anyway, so I eat tonight.
So this is the double battered cauliflower wings. So yeah, quick, easy recipe. Also, if you want the measurements, the recipe, I'll leave it down below in the description. It's in our Wellness Over Illness ebook. So make sure you go purchase the Wellness Over Illness ebook.
Girl, she said cop that now.
On sale right now. So make sure y'all go get it while it's on sale right now. And yeah, that's it. All the ingredients is down there. Is there anything else you want to say?
Oh, get it right here. Get it.
So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
I always say, here to be vegan. Peace.